What is up, you guys? I'm back here working on the J Series V6, and today we're going to be pulling the intake runner off, and we're going to look at the high pressure fuel lines that are underneath. Let's dive right into it. Alright guys, we got the intake runners off, and you can really see what's going on underneath. Alright guys, so underneath the intake runners, you can see here are the fuel lines, the fuel rails, excuse me, and underneath the fuel rails are the fuel injectors. So we will be removing those, and you can see there are two camshafts on this cylinder head. Even though there is only one cam gear, there are two camshafts. This engine is a dual overhead cam V6 with direct fuel injection.